The toolbar menu gives you access to the majority of the tools and functions in Modo. Clicking any of the icons in this menu will switch to a new group of options. The first icon is the model toolbar and is enabled by default. This is where you'll find the core tools for creating, selecting, and editing geometry. Clicking any of the subtabs will give you access to new groupings of tools. The second icon gives you access to UV tools, and the third icon houses the topology-related tools. The fourth icon is where you'll find brush-related tools such as sculpting, painting, hair grooming, vertex map, and particle tools. You'll also find some handy utility options such as being able to quickly add texture maps and the ever-so-handy geometry to brush command. The fifth icon displays the setup and rigging tools. This is where you'll find constraints, deformers, IK functions, weighting options, the ability to create and edit command regions, as well as dynamics and particle features. Animation tools and options can be displayed using the sixth icon. This is where you can create actors, actions, and poses, as well as create channel sets, key sets, and perform retargeting. Clicking the game icon will give you access to vertex map tools, smoothing groups, game navigation, baking tools, and more. The second to last icon displays the workbench. The workbench is empty by default, but this is because you can create your own toolbar full of tools you use often. To add tools to the workbench, start by clicking the Edit Workbench button, then click the Pick to Add button. Hold down the Shift key and click anything you'd like to add. Workbenches can be found in other locations of the UI, and you can add workbench functionality to other areas of the UI by pressing the Customize Workbench toggle in the Form Editor. The last icon is the Context toolbar. I use this toolbar when modeling since it updates based on the current component mode. So if I'm in Polygon component mode, only polygon-related tools will be displayed. If I switch to Edge or Vert mode, the tools update. When working in the UV viewport, UV tools are displayed. You can use the middle mouse button to switch between UV and modeling tools without losing your selection. You can create a popover of any of the toolbars by simply Alt-left clicking on its icon. Having quick access to all of the toolbars allows you to get to the tools you need with very few clicks. Spend time exploring what each toolbar has to offer so you're better prepared at finding specific tools in the future.